Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make an easy respawn system in Blueprints, and it is fully replicated. So right now I'm using the third person template and Unreal Engine 5.3, and let's just head straight into it. If you can see in here, I put two player spawns in here. If I play right now, we can play together with two clients. Okay, let's just start. First, I'm gonna start by creating a new blueprint of the type player controller, and I'm gonna call it BP underscore third person player controller. Open up your player controller, and in here I'll set up the event graph, and on event begin play, we're gonna cast to the BP underscore third person game mode with the node in the object get game mode with the per function. There we go. And now we're gonna set up a variable, and we're gonna call it game mode. Perfect. Now we're gonna call another function. We're gonna create a new event, and we're gonna call it respawn actor of type, and it will be run on the server. And then we're gonna say spawn actor from class. We're gonna set our third person character, and in the output we're gonna add a node called possess. Perfect. And also in the collision, make sure it will be always spawned, and then just try to adjust the location, but always spawn. Now we got an error. We still need to add some things. From the owner, we're gonna add a self node. That is done, but we still got one more problem, and that will be the spawn transform. So we're gonna go to our third person game mode. What we're gonna do in here is very easy. We're gonna just get the transforms of our player starts. So we get all actors of class. I'm gonna make a for each loop, and we're gonna get from the array element get actor transform. There you go. And now go to your variables. I'm gonna create a new variable called transforms, and it will be of the type transform, and it will be an array. Now grab your transform and type add, and now add this in here, and make sure it's from the loop body. That is all done, and also set from the get all actors, make sure it will be your player start. That is all done in the game mode. You can close this right now. Go to your controller. Gonna set a few more things. So grab your game mode variable, and we're just gonna get the transforms. And I just wanted to make it random, so I'm just gonna get a random array item and put this in here. And if I right now click compile, it perfectly works. Now go to your third person character. I'm gonna go all the way to the begin play. Remove this node, get controller, and cast to your BP, your own made controller, and just get a simple reference. I'm gonna call it player controller, and direct it in here, an execution pin in here, obviously. Perfect. Now go all the way down, and I'm just gonna make a simple keyboard event, keyboard end. So when we press this, he will respawn. Can also do it when he dies from HP, for example. And what we're gonna do is get the player controller, and we're just gonna cast to this event, and it's called respawn actor. Respawn actor. There we go. That is all set. But we still got a few problems. I think this is all we need to it. Yes, this is perfect. But we're not done yet, because we also need to destroy the actor we just created. So I'm gonna make a custom event, and call this respawn or destroy actor, and this will be run on server, and also gonna call another event and destroy actor, and this will be a multicast. and make sure it's reliable, and this will call the M destroy actor, and from here we just say destroy actor. There we go. That's all there is. And also make sure we call the S destroy actor. And right now if we press play, I think it is done. We can actually, we're not done yet. I set up in here something wrong. Cast to the third person player controller. Get the game mode, that is good, correct. Seems like I cannot walk. Let me grab this in here. Maybe this could fix the problem. Nope, I cannot walk either. What's happening? Let me just get the controller. Cast to our BP third person player controller. Oh, I already know what the problem is, never mind. Let me put this back. I forgot to put the new player controller in our world settings, so make sure it's selected, and there we go. And now if we press play, we can walk around, and if I press end on this other, we will respawn, if you can see, and it will not get destroyed actually. Yo guys, I'm back. So I found a problem actually. The problem was in the play controller. When you respawn the actor, you immediately possess it, so you do not have any control anymore, so it will not get deleted. So what will be the fix in here? You make sure in your respawn actor function, also you can delete this unpossessed node. In here you're just gonna set a delay. I'm just gonna make it like for example 0.5, and if you can see in here right now, it will be perfectly working. There we go.